Hidden beneath rust, dust, and time, a forgotten legend waits to be reborn. After years of silence, the restoration begins. Piece by piece, the past is lifted from decay. Lifted from years of decay, the journey toward rebirth has begun.
Here the real transformation begins.
Before rebirth, every scar must be revealed.
Piece by piece, the old shell is stripped away. What once lived inside is cleared to make way for new life. At the heart of the machine, even time must surrender.
Reduced to nothing, ready to become everything again.
The scars of time begin to disappear.
Strength returns as steel is reborn. From ruin, a perfect foundation emerges.
The first layer of new life takes form. Dark, sleek, timeless, the legend returns in black.
Sealed in brilliance, perfection takes its final skin.
The heart returns, stronger than ever before.
Balance restored. The machine stands ready.
Inside, a new soul is born. Vision restored. The legend is whole again. Every detail perfected, every surface flawless. Light returns. The legend awakens.
With a single breath, the machine lives again.
Forward into a new beginning.
From darkness into the light.
Out of the shadows, into the world once more.
Reborn in perfection, a legend returns to the road. From forgotten ruin to timeless perfection, the journey ends, but the legend lives on.